your lap back. Try and get your lap back. You get 2 laps down. We'll try and at least get you 1 lap back. If you need a wave around, haul out our buddy Jason Kinzer, and he'll take care of it. If you get in an accident, haul your butt in the pit. We'll clear that speeding penalty, and we can try and get you out here with us as soon as possible. So let's just have a good, clean race, have fun, like I always say. Any active members of the armed forces in here with us, or armed forces veterans in here, we appreciate you and appreciate you racing with us. So let's have a good, clean race. Ernie, would you like to add something? Remember, hold your line, fellas.
Definitely, that's the most important thing, guys. Hold your line. You're going to be faster than the guy in front of you. Don't run him over. There's no reason. We're going to be racing for a half an hour. All we got to do is just take our time, use your head. Again, hold your line. If anybody sees anybody can't hold your line, start barking out numbers. You're getting an EOL or you'll get removed, one or the other. You're blinking, the same thing. Go to the back. It's no hard feelings or anything. It's just we're trying to have green flag laps.
Little Leo, do your best, buddy. Your dad's a good friend of mine. Hold your line. Do the best you can, little man. Will do.
I tell you what, Jimmy, that Cameron's really come along. He's a good little driver, man.
Catch the
yeah, he's a good little dude.
Catch the 18 car. Catch the 01 car. Catch the 32 car.
Yeah, he got his start in the crow's nest with us.
Catch the
I heard that, man.
Car.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. In one practice session, we had my son, little Jimmy. We had Leo's son, and we had Rod Senior's son, all in the same practice. I thought that was pretty neat because them guys have been with me pretty much almost from the start.
Yeah, I don't mean to ramble out, shut up real quick, but we've got about 3 Patriot little sons that are all racing together now over here sometimes, and we've toyed around with the idea of starting a pre-teen racing division.
I definitely went into that one.
It's a good idea, too.
They have that iRacing Ignite series or whatever for 13 to 16-year-olds. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, well, these are the guys who are all like 9, 10, 11 years old, man, to join. Really good. It's really cool to see.
Yeah, that Ignite series, I get starting that tomorrow because I'm 16, but yeah, it's cool that they're trying to get more of the young guys in there.
Grandson does pretty good.
Good luck, drivers. Thank you, Jimmy. Remember, guys, we're here half an hour. No stupid shit for the first 10, 15 minutes.
Minimum.
Get ready, going green.
Hold your line, fellas.
And we have been having net code issues, so we'll watch the replay before we call somebody out. Or please watch the replay before you call somebody out. And if you do, just try and do it as nice as possible. You should check out Dave's Racing. The sim race. Jason Kim's on to it.
Keep high. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Clear. Car outside. Stay low, there's a car on the high side. Stay low, there's a car on the high side. Still there, hold your line. Clear outside.
I wish that side turned up your back bumper number 2, but it didn't help.
go low. The yellow
Correct,
flag
correct.
is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Let the pace car by. He had the position when the yellow flag came out. Pit road is now open.
They didn't tell you to stay behind the pace car, go get it. Keep it forward, it'll be in the back stretch when you catch it.
18 car by. He had the position when the
check
yellow
up,
flag
keep
came
on
out.
going. It'll catch us.
Yeah, leader's forward. Big pace car's coming out of the pits right now. If it didn't tell you to let it by, keep it forward. We'll worry about the lineup when we get there, guys.
Mine says let it by.
Same here.
Yeah, well, it'll catch us. Don't worry.
Let the 11
Yeah, I'm not
car
up
by.
front.
He had the
The guy up
position when
front.
the
Yeah,
yellow
you
flag
guys get
came out.
behind me. I'd probably should slow down, maybe. I don't know. What lap are you guys on? 3? Coming to 4 right now?
3 coming to 4.
Yeah, just go get the pace car. Hell, it ain't gonna hurt.
Let's start with what pace car by.
All right, well then slow way down. The pace car is only, it's going pace speed like 60 mile an hour. You guys want to slow way down.
Hey, Ernie, I just got a black flag. It said I passed the pace car and I'm in the pit. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, the pace car's at the start-finish line. Hit it. We gotta catch it. Go, 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 go.
Yeah, I didn't get no black flag, so we still got to catch the pace car, and it's telling me pit lane's open, single file.
Okay, go.
Mine was saying 2 to green.
Yeah, mine's got 2 to green, let the 37 by.
I think everybody has to slow down.
Yeah, mine says let the pace car
Line
by.
up single file.
Same here.
Catch the breeze car.
Everybody slow down and let's let the pace car by. Just come to a stop gap and make it red flag.
That's the truth. You gotta let that pace car get by you.
Everybody make red flag on the front straight. That's stop it.
Where's the leader at right now?
Back stretch.
We're off the start-finish line or the front stretch.
The leader. Where's the leader?
And the apron, stop.
I'm right before the start-finish line. Stop.
All right, everybody, we're stopped at the trial, letting the pace car by. Everybody, come up. We're stopped at the trial though, so make sure you start checking up coming out of 4. Everybody get up here on the trial. Close to each position. Don't worry about lining up. We'll line up when the pace car goes by.
Pace car in 4.
Hey, Ernie, for future reference, we'll slow down and let the pace car pass as much time when the yellow falls in that situation.
Yeah, the leaders, you either got to keep it floored and go get the pace car, or if it says let the pace car by, then you got to be the guy that lets everybody know that you're checking up. But don't check up right away. Just keep it floored. If you get a black flag for something, don't worry, we'll change it. But don't check up real fast and go from there. That's if it tells you to let the pace car by. Otherwise, just keep it down, and we'll start separating from you.
So, okay. So, all right, everybody's in the travel now.
All right, we can start getting situated on the lineup.
Yeah, I just got rear-ended
Catch
into
the
that
80
deal.
car. Catch the 57 car. Catch the 008 car.
That's
One
why I
lap to
just
green.
stopped so
Catch
everybody
the
from me.
88
Go ahead
car.
and get situated.
Catch the breeze car.
Yeah, I was stopped too and got hit from behind.
Do we got guys that need repaired?
Catch the 18 car.
Yeah, I got a pit.
Jimmy, if you want, won't you just extend the yellow if you want? It's up to you though, man. We got a bunch of guys couldn't pit.
Hang on, we're not going green.
Harold,
Not
you're
going
behind
green.
me, not in
Hang
front
on,
of
we're
me.
not going green. Not going green.
Yeah, all it does is add a lap, so that'll give y'all time to go in, repair, and come out.
Thank you.
Mine's telling me to stay behind the 2.
If you get a black flag, we'll clear it. Just if you got a pit, pit.
I don't got to, but I just kind of wish I would.
Well, it's now's the time. We just delayed the green so people could pit. So if you want to pit, right now would be the time.
Thank you much.
Yeah, right now is the opportunity.
The only opportunity.
'59, gotta get ahead of me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Jimmy, how bad's my damage on my front end?
Hey Gary, I'm not sure if I did, but I think I come back up the track there after the wreck, and I'm sorry if I did.
Might want to go in.
All good, brother.
Well, I know it was under you, and then next thing I know, everybody's sideways, so I don't know if I came up or what, but if I did, I'm sorry.
Nah, we couldn't miss that.
Don't take 4 tires, guys. You'll be, because it's going to go 1 to green right here. So when you get out, if you're getting speeding out of the pits, don't worry about it.
Catch
Get in here and get out.
car.
If you speed a little bit, don't worry. We'll clear them.
Okay, punch it. One lap to green. Line up, single file. Catch
Oh, we
the
now have
paying car.
exactly 21 minutes left in this race.
21 green.
It's been done. We've done 28.
Yeah, everybody, kind of gives everybody space. It works.
Yeah, there's no sense of pinching right now, man. We are 5 minutes into this deal. Spread out, run a lane, and let's just run some laps for a little bit. It's
Hey Jimmy, can I get an end of line, please?
A single file restart.
Tighten up, please.
Yes, up against the outside wall, too.
Yeah, tighten up a little bit, guys, please. Since it is single file.
whoever.
Past the 57 car. Get ready, going green. Green flag, green flag.
Damn, I got a black flag.
No, don't.
Oh, passing on the inside for the loop.
Yeah.
You passed inside before the start
Clear it.
time.
Yeah, I took off on the green.
For future reference, do not clear that black flag.
10-4, sorry.
Was trying to yell it out, but I couldn't get it in.
I was right behind you anyway, Jason. I was clearing it too.
You know, I seen it from the beginning.
Still there.
I remember to add that.
Still there. You're in the top 20.
Hey Jimmy, if you go to your radio and click on the race control, you'll be able to talk over everybody.
Outside. Stay low. Keep low. Stay low. Clear outside. Outside. Clear outside. 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 Clear. Come in for the black flag or you'll be disqualified.
I don't know what happened there.
No yellow.
That was my fault. I got sandwiched 3 wide, but I took it there. That was my fault.
We're gonna throw the yellow.
Get in the pits and get fixed.
Fix it out, man. Shit happens. But maybe they'll get some fucking green flag laps. You guys just keep running. We'll come back out there. If you want to race, just wait for the pack. If not, you'll go get back up there. That's what I'm going to do.
Yeah, y'all keep racing. Yeah, y'all keep racing.
We try to make sure there's green flag laps in here, man.
Yeah, that was my fault.
It's all right, Jimmy. You already know, man. Stuff happens. It's no biggie. Let them run it out. Fresh. That was too close, Chad.
I'm sorry, but man, that bottom line kept checking up every 5 seconds. It was bound to happen. And don't check the settings.
It's your responsibility not to run over the guy in front of you, man. Simple as that. Don't be running for people.
He ran into me like 6 times. I mean, I'm leaving a gap in front of me and he's right on my bumper. Every time I lift, he runs into me.
Exactly. It's your responsibility not to hit the guy in front of you, man. Everybody should know that.
I'm going home. He's leaving.
I mean, where are you going to go? Through me?
I wish they could read the yellow line rule. I would go low.
Clear inside.
Yellow line's there for a reason.
No sense of, we're like 10 minutes in, man. That's the problem, you know what I mean? We're just way too aggressive. You're not going to bump the guy all the way around the track and start lapping people or nothing, so just run behind him for a while. Get used to it. You know what I mean? You ain't got to push him to the lead on lap 5. It's not like 2 or 3 cars are going to leave us or trucks won't leave anybody. Just sit in the draft and race. It's real easy.
Yeah, the only people that need to really be bumping is the front cars.
Whenever I'm 0.5 back and I can hit him every single time, that's when the chip.
Don't need to get clear, Phil.
I'd rather have 3/4 throttle.
Good. How was going? Ooh. Good. I'm trying not to run over the car in front of me and worry about him keep running in the back of me.
Yeah, it takes everybody, not just one guy. Alright guys, let's race and quit bickering.
I'm kind of happy. This is one of the few times I ever felt like a turd.
I know I caused that last wreck and I apologize.
It's all good, Jimmy. We've all caused accidents. Anybody tell you they haven't, they're lying. Hell, I've caused a couple just today. In the last 3 races, I've been 2 faults. So it just happens, man. You know, I know you didn't mean it. Everybody here knows you didn't mean it. We're just out here trying to have some green flag laps. That's it. Have some fun. You know how we are. That's why the camaraderie in here is good.
I swear, Chad, one of these times you're going to come down like that, there ain't going to be room. Get him in the little room.
All right, fella, race chatter to a minimum. Let's get them green flag laps out.
Go high, let's go. Go high.
Sorry, y'all snuck up on me. I was daydreaming. You're not hooking me that, Phil. This track will put you to sleep when you're running it by yourself.
No problem, Gary. I'm all about green. I can care less about the W.
Outside. Clear outside.
Easy, fellas.
Inside. Clear. Inside. You're up top, 3 wide. Car inside, 2 wide. You're up top, 3 wide. Inside, 2 wide. Clear.
Man, my windshield's getting dirty.
Come off that wall, just a buzz, Wagner.
up, guys.
Slow car ahead, the yellow flag is out, line up single file, pit road is closed, catch the plant car, catch the 24 car, let the plant car by.
Hey, good run in 22. I had to back off for a couple laps, man. I was starting to overheat. I think that was the number 1 and some other car. I can't remember, but I saw them two go around right behind me.
Here, when we talk. Okay, so what happened here is he came, I mean, it's wrong. I don't need a black plate clear because I'm moving on pit road.
A good run, fellas. That was a good run.
Oh, I'll need it cleared in a minute, not right now, sorry.
Let the 59 car by. Pass
Sorry,
the
Q, I wasn't
car.
paying attention to anything.
Pace car entering 3.
Oh, you're good, man. Hey, the one car is lagging pretty bad, man. I don't know if that could have caused any issue there, but I was looking in my rear view, he was lagging the whole time.
I need to wave around also.
Pass the 11 car, pass the 19 car, pass the 2 car, catch the 57 car,
Yeah, I was trying to help y'all there,
car,
too.
pass the plant car.
Then the one went on top. I gave him a push going into 1, and he just got into the wall, it looked like.
Requesting the wave around, please.
Wave around, coming hard.
Yeah, that was a good run, guys.
I enjoyed watching it. Y'all were 3 wide. Yeah, it was a good run.
Oh, by the way, now I need this black flag cleared.
Appreciate you sticking with me, too. I wasn't going to leave you.
Thank you, bud.
The pit road is now
I
open.
know, man, we had good runs going. I had to back off for a few laps, that's why we kind of went back, because I was about to overheat and blow up. But once I got it down to 10, I started pushing back. Yeah, that's some fun racing up front, boys.
Hey, Ernie, do you allow bumping?
08 car.
It's Jimmy's room, but, I mean, if he knows what he's doing, I wouldn't think a man would.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Move it.
How much time are y'all left?
I mean, if somebody don't want bumped, all you got to do is tell the guy behind you not to bump you. Simple as that. If he keeps bumping you, let me know. We'll get him to the back of the line or something. Everybody should be able to be respected like that, I would think, in Jimmy's room.
Okay, I just didn't know. I didn't want to start nothing, but you know, I do know guys. Some guys don't care. Some guys don't. You know.
Right, exactly. But I would, like I said, if you don't want a guy bumping you, just tell him. And if he keeps bumping you, we'll go from there. We'll go from there if he keeps doing it.
Okay.
If he keeps bumping, let him pass. If you're that slow, drop him straight, let him back.
Pass the plant car.
Yeah, if you're that fast, you can go around.
Catch the 37 car.
I mean, it's just racing, man. I was just giving my 2 cents. I'm not trying to start something.
Oh, no, we're good.
I give courtesy bumps, man, then I'll back off. And if they say something, I won't do it again. If they don't say nothing, I'm balls to the wall hitting them again.
I don't mind getting hit as long as I
He had the position when the yellow flag came out.
If they know what they're doing, I don't mind. You can bump into me all you want.
So then you in the turn of the child.
Straight. I won't get nobody in the corners
One
in the
lap to
trial. That's a bad spot.
Don't get that big air draft and come bum rushing up and slam it, thinking it's going to give us a push.
Is everybody out of the pit? Is everybody out of the pit?
Yeah, what up? Says hold on. I'm gonna let every car in this still by.
Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and start it on this back stretch, guys. I'll count us down. Cause we only got like 2 minutes left.
Yeah, 2 minutes, 21 seconds. We're going green. Jimmy's counting it down, guys. Pay attention. Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Green, 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 green. Race it out. For your help, admins, and Ernie, everybody, Jason, all you guys.
Jesus says pace car.
Hey guys, I'm gonna stay high. Let's all go.
When the yellow flag came out.
Richard, get in there and have fun. Help somebody.
Sorry, James, I didn't know what I was doing.
Somebody's race up.
No caution. It's reeling out. The guy spins out. Just keep her down, boys.
Yeah, there ain't enough time. Minute 30 left.
Thank you, Mr. Mark.
Get ready, going green.
There's the 1 minute mark.
No, they're showing us the black flag. You passed the pace car. They're going to hold you a while. The
Black
pace car's
flag.
in.
Yeah, the whole field gets it.
Let the green car by. Had the position when the yellow flag came out. Green flag, green flag. Let the 008 car by. Had the position when the yellow flag came out. The yellow flag is out. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed. Let the pace car by. Had the position when the yellow flag came out.
Okay.
Thanks for the host, Jimmy.
Yeah, thanks, Jimmy. This is good.
Oh, y'all are welcome, man. At least y'all had a little bit of fun. Thank you, guys. Are you? Well, y'all are welcome to race anytime. Gary, appreciate your race for me, sir.
Oh, they're showing us the black flag. You passed the pace car. They're going to hold you a
Whoever's in that
while.
Looney
There's
Tunes
the
truck, man,
flag.
you should have
It's
went high,
over.
dude. We could have passed both of them guys.
Great job. You did really well.
My bad for slamming you like that. It's close enough to the finish, though.